I have something very special for you. I'm in Bonham visiting my nephew Elliot back here, who is celebrating his 11th birthday. And he's giving me this beautiful paper rose that he handmade. And he wants to show you guys how to make this too. So we hope you'll watch to the very end and give Elliot some nice comments and wish him a happy birthday. We just got to run out some of our stink, and then we'll meet you back at the house to learn how to make this beautiful paper rose.
Yeah.
We are headed back to the house now because Elliot is so excited to show you how to make his paper rose.
We're gonna make a paper rose.
Our paper is currently a rectangle, so we want to go ahead and fold it over to make a square with 4 sections. Then we're going to go ahead and cut our square into 4 pieces, and these are each going to be the layers of our petals.
You want a bigger rose? Just leave it like this.
We're going to fold our square into quarters, and we're going to make a slightly rounded cut through the middle, and then we're going to cut off the tip at the point where it's folded. At this point, we're going to go ahead and cut off about 1/2 of one of the petals, and we're going to do this on 3 pieces. It doesn't have to be perfect. Actually, having a little bit of imperfection makes the rose a little prettier. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to repeat this process to 3 of these 4 squares. And for your convenience, I have just sped this up.
And then last one is cut in half. And then after this, you're going to want to stick.
This 4th piece is just going to be folded into 4ths. And then on this last square, we're just going to go ahead and make a cut down the middle once we have it folded, similar to the ones that we did before. And then we're going to go ahead and cut the tip off at that fold again, and that's going to make a place for the stick to go. And then we're going to go ahead and cut this piece in half.
This is my favorite part.
Roll one of the pieces into a cone shape, and we're going to secure that at the tip of the stick. Make sure you secure it at the pointy end if your stick has a point on it. Next, we're going to go ahead and roll up those 3 petals with the little slice out of it that we made earlier. We're going to roll those into little petals of varying widths that we are going to secure to our stick in layers. As you can see, we're adding the 2nd layer to our rose. Right now, we're just slide it up until it looks right. And then we're going to go ahead and secure the 3rd layer on the rose, and our rose is complete.
This is done a few minutes ago. Those are the best ones I ever seen in my life. And that's hers that Elliot made my aunt. So... Bye. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe before the scissors get you. Cut that part out. Cut that part out. Thank you for subscribing and liking my video. Do you like to see? Yeah, I like these flowers.
I like these flowers too. These are
Me
adorable. Thank you for being part of Elliot's 11th birthday. Be sure to leave him some comments down below, as well as any birthday wishes.